Oh, hello.
On e-dating? Would you do it?
Mine? No, you are not mine. Hi, how are you? You know what? Opinions on e-dating. I don't think there's anything wrong with it. I do think meeting up with somebody and is important though. Ooh, hello. I will name you. Let me see. You're red and yellow and blue. You look a lot like Strawberry. I'm gonna name you. I already have a.
Ignore this bad, but a reminder that influencers aren't our therapists. PLS.
Very true. Can't name you Strawberry. What's another red fruit? You have blue on you. Is there a red and blue fruit? What about red, yellow, and blue? I know! I'm gonna name you Raspberry! Yes! Aww. Alright, come on, Mr. Raspberry.
Hello, first
Let's go
Jono
say hi to
here.
Strawberry.
I just wanted to say I love you a lot and you mean so much to me. You